For this video, WOLFBOX sent over their 4000 amp jump starter. This is perfect for any 12-volt car battery, and this is just a great thing to have with you in those emergent situations. Whether you're heading into work on a cold day and to find out that your car battery's dead, or even worse yet, you're far away from home and your battery's dead and have to call like a tow truck or look for someone to jump your car with you. Now it comes in a really nice carrying case. It's a durable case, nice zipper on there. Open it up and everything just fits in here perfectly. You have your jump starter battery right here, the jumper cables on this side, just everything nicely tucked in here, ready to go when you need it. So I love the simplicity of this jump starter. It's really easy, just has a couple simple buttons. You do have your power button right here, nice LED display that shows you the battery life on there. And you can also hit the power button a few times and it's gonna turn on the flashlight for you. So if you are using this at night, you're gonna have a little flashlight to kind of help illuminate what you're working on. Another great feature is that you can use this as a power bank. So if you do need to charge up like your cell phone in an emergent situation, you can simply just plug it right into the USB port right there, charge on up your phone, and you're good to go. Now to hook up the jumper cables, there's this little flap right here. You're gonna open that up, take the jumper cables out, and plug them right on in. The cables do have a decent length to them, and all you're gonna wanna do is hook black onto black, red onto red, turn the WOLFBOX jump starter on, and then you're just gonna simply start your car and your battery should charge right on up. And when you do need to charge the jump starter itself, you're simply just gonna plug the USB-C cord right into the side here, charge it on up, and you'll be good to go. Now overall, this is just perfect to have in your car for those emergent situations, just so you're not stuck and relying on someone else. You can just easily solve your dead battery issue by jump starting it with this WOLFBOX jump starter. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.